Welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to explain about command line arguments. Okay. We already know what do you mean by a command and what do you mean by a command line and what are arguments. Okay. So the meaning of command line and arguments we already know. Okay, the line where we are going to specify the commands is known as command line. Okay, we already know about command. The line where we are specifying the command is known as command line, and arguments where we are specifying the arguments in command line is known as command line arguments. Okay, simple example. We already know all these how to specify the command names and how to specify the arguments, but the topic name you have to understand here clearly. Okay, and one more point here we have to understand about the positional parameters. Very important. Okay, first we have to understand about command line arguments and positional parameters. Okay, this is one of the important concept in both third unit and fifth unit. The question may be asked from any one of these units, either from third unit or from fourth unit. Okay. Positional parameters is very important. Before going to the positional parameters, first we have to understand about what do you mean by command and what do you mean by command line and what do you mean by command line arguments. Okay, commands you already know. We learned so many commands till now. Okay, the line where we are specifying the command is known as command line, and the line where we are specifying the arguments is known as command line arguments. Okay. So topic is command line arguments. Okay, for these arguments we have to specify the values by using the set command. Okay, we cannot specify the values to these arguments by using the equal to operator. That is the main importance of command line arguments and parameters. Okay, so observe clearly. Values to positional. First, we have to understand what you mean by command line. Next, we can discuss about the positional parameters. Simple example. Observe clearly. Okay. What's the command here? Here, cat is the command. Okay, and the arguments are F1, F2, F3. These arguments, we specified these arguments with the command in a line. That's why this is known as a command line argument. Okay. Command name, and these are arguments. Okay, we specified command and arguments within a line. This line is known as command line, and line with the arguments is known as command line arguments. Okay, and these are known. The position where we are specifying the arguments is known as positional parameter. Okay, positional parameters. Okay, positional parameters. Positional parameters. Okay, this is known as command and these are known as arguments. That's why this complete line is known as command line arguments, and these are based on positions. Okay, for example here, first argument position is $1, second argument position is $2, third argument position is $3. Okay, so the position of these arguments are $1, $2, $3. Okay, the positional parameters are numbered from $0 to $9. Okay, means $0, $1, $0, $1, $2, $3, so on $9 only. Okay, you have to know positional parameters range is from $0 to $9. Okay, here $0 indicates either the file name or command name. Okay, here this one indicates cat indicates $0, the command name or file name. Okay, this one is $0, and next arguments positions are $1, $2, $3. Okay, its range is from $0 to $9 only. Okay, positional parameters range is from $0 to $9. Okay, so these arguments positions are $1, $2, $3. Okay, this is about command line arguments and positional parameters. Okay, after $count we specify the command name. Okay, and we specify the arguments also. Okay, command name with the arguments. That's why this line is known as command line arguments. And for these arguments, the positions are $0, $1, $2, $3. Okay. So the positional parameters range is from $0 to $9. This is about command line arguments and positional parameters. Now we can set the values to these positional parameters by using set command, set command. Okay. Okay, so values to position, we already know about positional parameters. Its range is from $0 to $9. Okay, means we are specifying the values to positional parameters here. Values to positional parameters can be assigned using the set command. Okay, values to positional parameters can be assigned using set command, not by using equal to operator. Actually, in order to assign any value to a variable, simply we specify, for example, n is equals to 10, means we assign the value 10 to variable n. Okay, here we cannot assign the values to positional parameters by using the equal to operator. Okay, by using the set command only, we can assign the values to positional parameters. Okay. So you have to remember this point. By using the set command only, we can assign the values to positional parameters. Okay, means positional parameters are nothing but the positions of the command line arguments. Okay, so values to positional parameters cannot be assigned using equal to operators. Okay, we can assign the values using set command. We cannot assign the values to positional parameters using equal to operator. So this is the importance of set command, set command. Okay. Now observe the example, first one. After dollar symbol, set space 10 space 20 space 30. Okay, 10 set space 10 space 20 space 30. Okay, so here the first positional parameter value is 10, means $1 is equals to 20, $1 equal to 10. Okay, and second positional parameter is value is 20. Okay, and the third positional parameter value is 30. Okay, whereas $0 is command. $0 is equals to command name. $0 command name. Okay, here set is $0. Set indicates $0. Okay, next first one indicates first positional parameter value. Second one, second positional parameter value. Third positional parameter value. Okay, so first 10 indicates the value of first positional parameter $1. In order to view the value of these positional parameters by using the echo command, we can view the value of these positional parameters. Okay. For example, if I want to view the value of positional parameter $3, okay, now I can type simply after dollar symbol echo space $3. Okay, echo space $3 means it is going to print 30. Okay, like this we can view the values of the positional parameters. Okay, for example, if I want to view second positional parameter echo space $2. Echo space $2. Now we can view the second positional parameter value 20. Okay, like this. Observe clearly here. Echo space $1. Okay, Next echo space $2. Next echo space $3 like this. It is going to print 10, 20, 30 like this. Okay. If we type echo space $1 means it is going to immediately print 20. Okay. 10. Next for $2, 20. $3, 30. Like this, it is going to display the output. This is about how to specify the positional parameter values by using set command. Means we cannot assign the values to these positional parameters by using the equal to operator. Okay, we can assign the values to these positional parameters by using the set command only. Okay. Here, observe here. By using a single command also, we can view the values of these positional parameters. Instead of typing in each and every line, in a single line, we can specify the positional parameters. Means echo space $1 space $2 space $3 like this. Okay. So observe clearly. Set space 10 space 20 space 30. Echo space $1 space $2 space $3. By typing a single command, we can view the values of 3 positional parameters. According to our requirement, we can specify the values to positional parameter. But its range is from $0 to $9. $0 indicates either the command name or file name, and positional parameters are ranged from $1 to $9. Means we can specify the values to 9 positional parameters only. 1, 2, 3, $1, $2, $3, to so on, $9 only. Up to 9 only, we can specify the values to, we can provide the values to these positional parameters. Okay. So by typing a single command, we can view the values of these 3 positional parameters $1, $2, $3. It immediately prints 10, 20, 30 within a single line. Okay. This is how to specify the positional parameters by using a set command, and we can view the values of these by using the echo command, simply by typing echo space the positional parameters. Okay, for example, if I want to, here I say, observe clearly, set space 40 space 50. Okay, now I want to view only second position parameter value. Simply echo space $2. It's going to print 50. According to our requirement, we can view the positional parameter value. Even here I specify 2 parameter values, but I want to view only 1 positional parameter value. Okay, now I can simply specify echo space $2. It is going to print 50 like this. Okay. Next, observe here one more example. Set space hello space good space morning. Okay, here I specified 3 values. Hello indicates first position parameter value. Okay, good indicates second position parameter value. Morning, third position parameter value. Okay. For example, if I want to view second and third, simply I can type echo space $2, $3. Immediately it is going to print good morning. Okay. So set space, hello space, good space, morning. I can view the values of these positional parameters by typing echo space $1 space $2 space $3. For example, if you want to view only second and third, we can simply specify echo space $2 space $3. Then it's going to print good morning. Like this, we can set the strings also. Okay, thus we can specify the string values also to positional parameters by using a set command. Not only numeric values, we can also specify the strings to positional parameters by using the set command. Means we cannot assign the values to positional parameters by using the equal to operator. That point you have to remember clearly. Okay. So if I specify echo space $1 space $2 space $3, space only, not comma, echo space first position parameter value space second position parameter value space third position parameter value, then it's going to print hello good morning. Okay, So $1 indicates hello, $2 indicates good, $3 indicates morning. Like this, we can specify the values to positional parameters by using set command instead of equal to operator. This is about set command. Next, one more example, observe clearly how to specify for 10 and 11 positional parameters. Its range is only from $1 to $9. Okay. Here observe example, set space, friends space, in space, need space, or space, friend space, indeed. Simple example. Okay. Now I want to give only $1, $4 and $6. Simply I can specify echo space, $1 space, $4 space, $6. Okay, what is the value of $1 equal to friends? It is going to print friends. Okay, next $4 indicates 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, R. It is going to print R. Okay, and $6 last one. Friends are indeed. Okay. This is about how to specify the values to positional parameters by using set command. One more example. Set space. Everyone has the capacity to learn from mistakes. Everyone has the capacity to learn from mistakes. He learns a lot from experience. Observe clearly. After set, this is the $1. This one $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Okay, up to 9 only we can specify the values to positional parameters. Observe here, echo space $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, up to this 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. Okay. But I specified up to 11 only. It is going to print the values from $1 to $9 only, because the range is from $1 to $9. $0 indicates just a command name, $0. Okay, then it is going to print first 9 strings. What are the 9 strings? Everyone has the capacity to learn from mistakes. Okay, mistakes. Next, up to here only it is going to print. Okay. Next, for $10 means $10. Its range is from $1 to $9 only. For example, here I specified $10 means it is going to display $1 value. $1 value followed by 0. What is $1 here? $1 means first string. Everyone followed by 0. This is the output. Everyone means wrong output. Everyone space 0. Actually, 10th one is what? Learns. 11th one is what? A. But it is going to print $1 value followed by 0 value. Similarly, for $11, it is going to print $1 value followed by 1. Like that, it is going to print. This is a mistake. Okay. So, in order to satisfy the output, we have to specify one more command. So it is going to print only from $1 to $9. If we specify $10, it is going to consider $1 as the first one, this one. Okay, for $10, it is going to take $1 followed by 0. For example, if I specify $12 means it is going to display everyone followed by 2. Everyone followed by 2. Like this it is going to display. Its range is only from $1 to $9. Means it is going to display only first 9 strings. After that, for $10 it is going to consider $1 value followed by 0. For $11 also, first string followed by 1. Like that it is going to print. For this, one more command is there, that is shift command. Okay. Shift command. The shift command moves the parameter values to the left. Okay. The statement $shift5. Observe the same example. Set space. Everyone has the capacity to learn from mistakes. He learns a lot from experience. $shift space 5 means it is going to shift 5 positional parameters. Okay. To the left. It shifts out the first 5 values and assigns the 6th value to $1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means it is going to shift first 5 to the left, and it is going to assign the sixth position parameter value to $1. Okay, sixth position parameter value to $1. Okay, shift space 5 means it is going to shift first 5. Shift 5 means it is going to shift first 5 strings to the left. Okay, and it is going to bring the $6th value to, it is going to assign $6th value to $1. Okay, so it is going to print learn from mistakes. Okay, here what I specified, echo space $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Observe clearly, 9 strings are there or not. Okay, learn from mistakes. He learns a lot from experience. Okay, learn from mistakes. He learns a lot from experience. Okay, total 9 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it is going to shift first 5 strings to the left, and it is going to assign the 6th positional parameter value to $1. Okay, and continuously next 7th positional parameter value to $2. Like that, it is going to assign the positional parameters values to these. Okay, this is about how to shift the strings to the left. By using shift command, we can shift the parameter values to the left according to our positions. Here I specified 5. That's why it is going to shift first 5 position parameters values to the left, and it is going to assign 6th position parameter value to $1. For example, if I specify shift space 4, then it is going to shift first 4 string values to the left, and it is going to assign 5th position parameter value to $1. Like this, it is going to assign by using shift command. Shift followed by value. Shift followed by value. Okay, this one indicates number of position parameter values to shift to the left. That is the meaning of this number. Shift followed by number. This command shifts only to the left according to the specified number. Okay. So this is about shift command. So today we discussed about command line arguments and positional parameters. The line where we are going to specify the command is known as command line, and the arguments where we are going to specify in a line is known as command line arguments. Okay, so for these command line arguments, we can set the values by using set command only. We cannot assign the values to these positional parameters by using equal to operator. This point have to remember clearly. Okay, observe here. This is the command name, and these are arguments. Okay, so the line where we are specifying the command is known as command line, and the arguments where we are specifying is known as command line arguments. And the positions of these are ranged from $0 to $9 only. $0 indicates either the file name or command name, and then followed by the arguments range from $1 to $9 only. Okay, this is about positional parameters. And in order to shift the values to the left, we can shift by using shift command. Shift space parameter value. Okay, for example, if I specify shift space 3 means it is going to shift first 3 strings to the left, and it is going to assign the positional parameter, 4th positional parameter value to the $1. Okay, this is about shift command. By using set command, we can assign the values to position parameters. By using shift command, we can shift the position parameter values to the left according to our requirement. Okay, thank you.